Hello, in this video we are going to perform the experiment of supercooling of water. So first, what is supercooling? When the liquid is cooled below the freezing point, then that liquid is called as supercooled liquid. So first thing, what are the things which is required for this experiment? First, pure water. Remember, do not use tap water or mineral water because they are already contained with a lot of impurities. That's going to affect our experiment. Second thing, freezer, where the freezing temperature can be maintained. So now what we have to do? Now just put the water into the freezer without disturbing it. Remember, do not open the freezer while performing this experiment, it can cause change. Now after 5 to 6 hours, you can see that the water has not turned to ice yet. It's in the supercooled state. The temperature of water is below the freezing point. It wants to turn to ice, but it has not yet. Now let's do some work. You see, the whole bottle has turned to ice. So what exactly happened? So now let me explain what happened. When the water is below the freezing point, that is super cool, it really badly wanted to convert into ice. But there is no such driving force to start the process of nucleation. Now what is nucleation? When the small nuclei start to grow, that process is called as nucleation. The formation of small crystal. So right now there is no such driving force that can start this process. Remember, we took the pure water. If we would have taken the impure water, then that impurity is enough to initiate the nucleation and the water will turn to ice without going to supercooled state. Since the water wants to go to the lower energy, hitting the water bottle on the desk is enough to start the process of nucleation. The small formation of ice starts and the chain reaction goes on, and within no time the whole bottle turns to ice. So this force can be provided by any means, not by just shaking or hitting. It can be provided with ice crystal touching the surface of supercooled water, and the water will turn to ice.